Sup YouTube, this is Python Curses tutorial. Now I wanted to just give a brief introduction to why I'm making these tutorials. I'm currently using a Mac. This is the environment I have to work in. It's completely built in on Mac OS X 10.5 or whatever. This is just a basic text editor, and this is a terminal which you can find by going in the searchlight in your top right corner of your computer. So what I want to start off with is just this is how I run Python when I'm coding. Is I'm going to save this as hello world and use py. So now what I'm going to do is I actually save this under Python programs, which is a folder in my directory. So I'm going to cd to that. That's all the crap I've programmed. And then I can just type Python and then hello world.py, and that's what it did. It printed hello world. So this is basically how you get around. You type your code in here, you save it under a file name which you can reach through your terminal, and then your terminal you just type Python and then the program name, and it should run it. So I'm going to be talking about curses, which is a module that allows you to manipulate words in the window right here. So one example, you can make games that use only text. So for example, this is my Minesweeper game. I'll probably do a tutorial for how to do this later. This is kind of an introduction to what this module is kind of all about. You can do many things. You can do animations, you can do games, and you don't have to download Pygame because I know on my school computers they don't let you download anything, which is ridiculous because like you need an administrator's assistance to install things like that. So that is an introduction to programming in Python. What I recommend is I'm going to try to make it so that people can keep up, but I'm going to be skipping over most of the basics. If you want to be learning about how to actually write code more efficiently, I highly recommend checking out Khan Academy or the New Boston. They both have excellent YouTube channels, and both provide excellent basic Python tutorials. You could also, if you aren't on a school computer, then you could also just download other things like you can download Idle, but Idle doesn't have cursive support. But you could also download, Pygame or other modules if you want to create better animations and better games that aren't completely restricted to just text. But if you enjoy this kind of, text style games, then I will be making tutorials on how to make these things. And that's all for now. I will see you all later.